Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jungle Scout for product validation in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Jungle Scout for product validation in the USA, start by visiting the Jungle Scout website. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in your personal information in the registration form. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and complete the payment process. Once registered, log in to your Jungle Scout account. Navigate to the Jungle Scout dashboard. Select the Product Database feature from the menu. Input relevant criteria such as category and sales rank to filter for potential products. Adjust the filters according to your budget and average selling price. Review the product results generated by the search. Click on each product to see more detailed analytics, including sales estimates and demand metrics. Make use of the Opportunity Finder tool to identify niches with low competition. Consider using the Keyword Scout to uncover relevant search terms. Evaluate the market trends by accessing the Trend Tracker feature. Organize your findings using the Product Tracker to monitor selected products over time. Cross-reference your product choices with Amazon's bestsellers list for additional validation. Analyze customer reviews and ratings to assess market sentiment. Compile all insights to create a short list of viable product ideas. Ultimately, decide on the best product based on comprehensive data analysis. Now you are equipped to use Jungle Scout effectively for product validation in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.